Hey, how's it going? So right now we are sitting in my E36 with a turbo V8, and I'm just kind of looking at my Mega Squirt, and I'm about to go for a little bit of a drive for you guys. See how it is. Changed around the map last time. As you saw, I had that fitting brake, but I replaced that, and see how it goes. It's not warmed up, it's not tuned well, but I have to drive it to get things worked out. So kind of awkward how I'm filming, so bear with me, but we'll go for a spin. Up everywhere. Well, so far it's running pretty good. Seems like it's better than last time I drove it. It's running smoother, for sure. I don't know, it's actually running pretty good right now, to be honest with you. pull over and do some tuning to it and see where I need to kind of make some adjustments and stuff. I'm going to drive back. It's all about just kind of cruising around now and seeing how it is, but that's all I'm going to give you for now. It's pretty awkward to try and drive and talk to you, so I'll be back. Alright, so there you guys are. You got to at least see me drive the car around. Here it is. It seems like when I hit boost, or just in general, the car is like kind of unhappy in its revs. It seems like it kind of like sputters at me or backfires, or it does something, and there's got to be a setting somewhere or something I have off, or maybe the timing. I don't know. But I gotta go through and figure out why it won't smoothly rev up and actually get into boost. Like I'm not making good boost, and I also feel like the fueling is off for my car. Like when I make adjustments to the map, I feel like it's not really affecting the way my AFRs are being read, or like how my AFRs are. I wonder if it has something to do with the AEM peak and hold box I have. I'm kind of debating whether I should just rip it out and sell it and sell my high impedance injector or low impedance injectors and just go to fuel injector, high end speed injectors through the whole thing. I think that could, it would simplify my thing a lot because I wouldn't have all the wiring going to that peak and hold box, but also I'd have the peace of mind in that there was an intermediary product that was trying to do things in, it's sitting, I've got my Mega Squirt and it's sitting between me and the injectors. So like when I make an adjustment, how linearly is that affecting my injectors after they're passing through that peak and hold box? I feel like it's doing something funky in my car. Like my MR2, I feel like tunes way better having just low or high impedance new injectors from Fuel Injector Clinic and tune them that way. But that's something for me to figure out. I don't know. That's all for now. I'm gonna go like mess around with my e36, just kind of pulling apart the motor and stuff. Actually, I'll show you guys that. So here is E46 drivetrain. You can see I got the transmission out, separated from the motor, and it's more or less like I'm ready to sell stuff. If someone wants either thing, hit me up. You gotta be close to me. I'm not gonna take any, like, it's not gonna be a pain in my ass to give you a motor. So if someone's near me and wants it, or wants to drive to Massachusetts or something like that, be my guest. But yeah, that's about it for now in this video. Like, subscribe, stay tuned. Got V8 BMWs going on, other turbo goodness. Maybe I'll video drive my MR2 later, because I'll probably go for a rip in it when I go somewhere after I'm done working on stuff. But yeah, that's it for today. Like, subscribe, comment, do your thing, and yeah.